Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm glad you stopped by. Today, I'll be walking you through one of the most important steps when setting up QuickBooks Online, adding a new customer. Whether you're just getting started or looking to tidy up your records, knowing how to add and manage customer profiles will make your bookkeeping a whole lot easier. Let's dive in. The first step is to head over to the left-hand menu in QuickBooks Online. Click on Sales and then select Customers. This will bring up your customer list, showing all the clients you've already added. Now, to create a new customer, simply click the New Customer button. This opens up a form where you'll be entering your customer's information. At the very top, you'll see the display name field. This one is mandatory, and it's really important because it's the name that will appear on your invoices, sales receipts, and other forms. Make sure it's unique so QuickBooks can tell your customers apart. Next, you can fill out other details, such as the customer's company name, phone number, email, billing address, and shipping address. The more complete the profile, the easier it will be to generate accurate invoices and reports later on. If you need to set special conditions, QuickBooks gives you flexibility. For example, under the additional info section, you can mark the customer as tax exempt and even choose the exemption reason. You can also adjust payment terms here, like net 30 or due on receipt, depending on how you do business with that customer. There's also an option to set up sub-customers, which is really useful if you're working with departments within a larger company. On top of that, you can add notes, upload attachments, and even customize delivery preferences. So everything about that customer is organized in one place. Once you've entered all the information, don't forget to hit save, and that's it. Your new customer will now appear in the list, ready for you to create transactions. Now, if you're dealing with a lot of customers at once, there's an even quicker method. Instead of adding them one by one, you can import them from a spreadsheet. To do this, go back to the Customers page, click the drop-down arrow next to New Customer, and choose Import Customers. From there, upload your spreadsheet, match each column to the right QuickBooks field, and follow the steps to bring all your customer data in at once. And that's how simple it is to add new customers in QuickBooks Online. Taking a few minutes to set up customer profiles properly can save you hours later when creating invoices, tracking payments, or running reports. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy QuickBooks tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.